Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Just Dance with a camera. First, select your gaming console or device, like a PlayStation or Xbox. Next, ensure your camera is properly connected and positioned, typically above or below your television. Remember to clear a spacious area, ideally at least 6 feet by 6 feet, for unrestricted movement. Finally, adjust your room's lighting to minimize shadows, which helps the camera track your movements more accurately for a better gaming experience. Once your camera is connected, stand within its view for initial calibration. The game will guide you through confirming your position, often asking you to step back or forward. During gameplay, try to maintain a consistent distance from the camera, usually between 6 and 10 feet, to ensure optimal tracking. Always check that no furniture or people obstruct the camera's line of sight, as this can interfere with accurate motion detection. To maximize your score, focus on mimicking the on-screen dancer's movements with precision. Engage your entire body, not just your arms, as many moves require full-body participation for higher points. Pay close attention to the timing of each move, aiming to hit the beats accurately. Don't be afraid to practice challenging routines multiple times. Repetition is key to improving your technique and achieving a perfect score. If you encounter tracking issues, first check all camera connections to ensure they are secure. If problems persist, a quick restart of your console or the game itself can often resolve minor glitches. Always ensure your camera lens is clean, as smudges can impair its ability to detect movement accurately. For the best experience, play in a well-lit room, but avoid direct sunlight or harsh backlighting, which can create shadows and confuse the camera.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.